back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, we're back home. I don't know if you guys saw the last 3-part series we just did, but I was living in the car. Y'all were like, Brad, why are you doing it? And I told you straight up, I'm like, I'm bored. I want to go camping, and nothing is open. Nobody's camping right now because it's cold. So I'm gonna camp in my car. But yeah, to answer your questions, no, my girlfriend didn't kick me out of my own house, by the way. No, we didn't get in a fight or anything. It's just what I felt like doing. Anyway, back at home, appreciate y'all, man. Once again, we're giving away a diamond ring. I swear to God, if y'all sleep on this one, actually, you know what? This is it, man. This is it. I'm giving you guys chances. 15,000, oh God, no. 1,500 thumbs up within the day, and somebody's getting this real diamond ring. All you gotta do is just thumbs up the video, man. Last chance, really, or else I'm just gonna give it to Ian or something. Also, comment down below my Instagrams right here. You can message me and tell me when you did that if you want to. Cool, happy Black Friday, happy Thanksgiving to the Americans yesterday. I hope you all are feeling good. And real quick, before we get into this video, boys, this video is brought to you by the good people over at rosegoldandblack.com that's having their Black Friday sale right now. Now, y'all know real quick, Black Friday is like, it's a one-day thing, kind of. You know, it usually lasts a little longer, but what I'm trying to say is if you want to get the sale that they got going on right now, y'all gotta act fast. I swear, man. Rose Gold and Black, what do they sell? They got a bunch of cool necklaces like the one I'm wearing right here. Really like it, man. We also got bracelets that they sell. They have a bunch of different rings, watches, tons of accessories, like I say, that are low-key that you could probably wear out to dinner with your family instead of like a diamond watch that's gonna make you look like an asshole. I'm just being real about it. And I'm also gonna be real right now. Like I've said, these are my favorite things ever. I got one loose and I got one tight right here because I like it loose and tight. I just think it gives it a good look. Chill for a sec. I like it tight. Don't do that. Sponsorship. Anyway, with the link down below with Rose Gold and Black, boys, what they're offering you right now is a 40% off Black Friday sale if you use the link down below, plus an additional 10% off if you use the code NameBran. Now what that means, if you do the math, bros, it's friggin' 50% off, 50. I have been working with these guys for a long time, and as far as I can remember, I don't think I've ever seen a sale this big on their website. So like I say, act fast if you guys want something real low-key. They just absolutely killing it in a really inexpensive way with their jewelry, man, and I really dig them for it. Rose Gold and Black, link is down below. Once again, appreciate them. Once again, happy Black Friday too. Get shopping, man. We're about to get shopping in a second. Alright, man, let's get into it, bro. We're spending bands today, man. Like, I got $2,000 set up for this video. It's Black Friday. We're not playing around. My girlfriend's not gonna be too happy about this. And also, now I think of it, I could buy like 2 PS5s with this money. It doesn't matter. Content. Now, what we're doing is we're shopping on ICEBOX Black Friday, which I'm actually really stoked for. There's one piece on there in particular that I've been just looking for an excuse to buy. I had like a handful of you guys telling me, hey, man, you should go check out like ICEBOX for Black Friday. Do a video on that. So that's what we're doing. It's gonna be the same sort of thing as like we've done in the past. Because this is such an expensive video, I'm making it into 2 parts. The first part is us gonna be shopping online, checking out what they have on ICEBOX. By the end of the video, you'll probably see the piece that I'm gonna buy, but what I buy also depends on the love that this video gets in terms of thumbs up, comments. If I don't get tons of love on this video, it doesn't make sense for me to do a part 2 unboxing something that's gonna be mad expensive. But without further ado, let's go on ICEBOX right now. It's Black Friday, my favorite time of the year, because I have an excuse to spend a bad amount of money. And like I say, man, you guys told me ICEBOX, we're doing ICEBOX. Before we get into that though, because there is no unboxing in this video and I've been really excited to open this, we're gonna do a quick unboxing real quick. You guys probably know though, I collect rap autographs. Now, is this the one? You idiots! Damn it, sorry. Okay, when you're shipping an autograph, let's not bang up the edge, ass! And this one, yeah, it's the Polo G autograph right here. We got the PSA. Which means it's very authentic. 17 by 10 right here. And you guys know I have a ton of these. We're doing a room tour real soon. Let me know if you guys want to see one of those. I gotta hang all these puppies up, but there's a little, there's something I just wanted to show you guys. I'm very stoked about that, actually. It's pretty cool. And he signed it in gold. I think that's cooler than most. Usually you got a black picture and they're signing with a black Sharpie, and you gotta wonder yourself, are you an idiot or what's going on here? Also, yeah, this damage is just, it's not acceptable. There's a rip in it too. This is great. This is awesome. Thank you so much, you oh, it's on the other side. Thank you so much, you fuck. Alright, incognito mode engaged. I don't need y'all seeing when I'm searching up about Selena Gomez again. Alright, boys, let's go to ICEBOX. Shout out to you. I just saw search history. What did y'all see? Okay, that's cool. It's my old videos. Okay, good. ICEBOX. Jesus. Thank you guys for hitting me up. I had no idea that they'd actually be having a Black Friday sale, so this is kind of sick. We're gonna check out these sales though. I do have a piece of mind that I think ships today. It doesn't look like they have sales though. Where is this? Under 1,000 ships today. What's this? There's no set. Were y'all man, were y'all punking me? There's no why would there be a Black Friday sale, I guess? It's ICEBOX. Okay, man, what the f are y'all saying there's an ICEBOX Black Friday? There was like 6 of you that said shop ICEBOX Black Friday. This isn't Black, okay, you guys suck. I'm sorry, you don't suck. Okay, awesome, cool. Let's just go to what I wanted to buy because it's the same damn price. And I can't be swearing. What are we buying? We got 2,000 on the line, boys. I need y'all's help in the comments down below. If you see something, I'm still tripping out that there's no sales on here. Why would y'all tell me there is? I feel like maybe on their like app or something. If they have an app, there's a sale. On the computer, you can app right off. Actually, I've been wanting this for a long time. We ain't gonna spend 2,000 on this, although our budget is that. Oh God, that looks cool. I gotta have some cool, oh, the front! Man, I'm all hyped up on, yeah man, it's Friday. Yeah, hyped up on a couple drinks, you know what I mean? Ships today, that's new though. Maybe that's their Black Friday thing. Hey, happy Black Friday. We'll actually not take 24 freaking days to send your order out to you. We'll actually send it in a pretty respectable time when you're paying $15,000 for pieces. Cheers. I just spilled the last one. That's water, by the way. Don't worry about it. All right, let's go to accessories. We just went to accessories. Boys, I already know what I want. I want to show you right now. I haven't seen in a bit. We're at accessories again. Dude, I can't pay attention. I know, hopefully you guys like this online shopping video. It's pretty unedited, you know what I mean? I can just see that's $7,000. You could suck a fat one. The one thing about ICEBOX, man, great quality. Shout out ICEBOX, man. They also sent us a free package one time. I'm not, I shouldn't say that. I should say it. I'm not being like it was so dope for them to show us love, but they sent us an empty jewelry case. Like one of their jewelry cases they sell for like 10 bucks. I don't know, it was funny. I'm not being, what's the word when you're not appreciative? I'm not being not appreciative right now. I just thought it was hilarious and a little stingy. It was a great video, that's all I cared about. Okay, what am I looking for? There was this one ring, man. If you guys remember a little while ago, now I thought this was gonna be Black Friday shopping. I'm gonna have to spend more money today, actually Black Friday shopping, so I can freaking make this make sense. What are you doing, Brad? Holy hell. Okay, I remember it was a ring. You guys know I love rings where I can't, oh, the ring's right there. It was a ring. Now, a little while ago, I actually bought this ring, but I didn't know it was the women's version. The reason I bought it is because it was a lot cheaper, and then I gave it to my mom because all you guys are like, that's a woman's ring, you absolute asshole. Like, you just look like a douche right now, not knowing that. What is going on here? Okay, search up ICEBOX. This is what I wanted to buy. You guys let me know if you see other cooler stuff. See, right here. This is something I was gonna buy at one point, 455 bucks. It's real great until it's the size of frickin', you don't even wanna know. That's super cool. 4,000? You know, that can't be. How big is it? Wait, we gotta check how big it is. It's gonna be frickin' a centimeter tall guarantee. Oh, it's $4,000 per letter. You asses. Let's see how much brand would cost. In SI quality too. This $17,000. Just absolutely suck it. Just suck it. I don't even care if ICEBOX likes it anymore at this point. Please like me, like if you guys want to send over something for a video. Okay, fudge, we're doing it again. ICEBOX ring. This is what I'm after. The actual man version. So this is what we bought. Now, yeah, see, I knew it was $2,600. That's why I thought the sale would help us out a little bit. Look, no, so that's the man's version, bro. No way it's worth that much. I would not recommend shopping ICEBOX if you don't have a ton of money to kill. I'm not saying I do, but I do quite all right, and it's for video, so you know, it's kind of a business expense. But does that not look dope? Although that's past my budget. I could buy freaking 3 PS3s with that almost. PS5s, whatever the hell is out right now. I just want it because other people have it, and I want to game with you guys. See, that's what I'm looking at. I'll tell you right now, if this video gets a lot of views, I'll buy it. 100%. I'll take the loss on the 2,600. We do have to look at, though, something that's in my price range in case that doesn't happen. Let's go to watches. Why did you click that? What an idiot. My hand's doing one thing, my brain's doing another thing. Uh-oh. Just kidding, my brain told me to do that. Permits. See, something like this. It'd be kind of sick if it wasn't the size of a baby carrot. Actually, like less than that, dude. It's the size of, look at it, it's just the worst. I'm getting freaking re-mad. I was pissed off about something today. I'm getting re-mad about it. What was that? bubbly drip bangle medium bracelet. That's ugly as all hell. What in the oh, actually, that's pretty sick. Oh, that does look kind of cool. Oh, it's $12,000, so you can suck it. Don't buy a Rolex that probably also could have a lot of diamonds, like flooded in diamonds. Buy this. Buy this crap that doesn't even have diamonds along it, but it does say ICEBOX. You're getting your money's worth if it says ICEBOX on it. We're known for frickin' jabbing you in the gut. Bracelets. I did that. Alright, this is it. I don't know. I want the ring. I had it in my mind that I was going to get the ring on Black Friday, and I think I'm still going to get it. What else did I have? $4,500 for probably the worst skull I've ever seen in my life. There's a way to make a skull look cool, and there's a way to make a skull look a little retarded. Somehow they picked the retarded option for frickin' that much money if it's not even loading. Wag, this sucks. I don't like this. Now my Wi-Fi is probably out. Did my Wi-Fi go out? I don't even care anymore. What in the hell is $1,600 for that? Oh my, this website's just BS. It's all BS. I'm just mad that it's also not freaking Black Friday sales on here. Appreciate you guys for misleading me. Appreciate y'all for watching, making the game the greatest of all time. I'm gonna get the ring if we get a lot of thumbs up and a lot of views. If not, I'm gonna probably get the snake. No, God, it's 5,000. Okay, bye. Love you. Stupid video. But I'm glad to chill with you guys. A little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Unless you get 1,500 thumbs up for this diamond ring right here. Blow. Look at that. It's better than anything ICEBOX is gonna sell you. That's a damn fact. Not true, but it's cheaper. It's not a way to sell it. Okay, bye.